In this video, I'll go over how you can use nOps to analyze your tags. So in AWS, companies use tags to track projects, different department spend, different team spend. So everyone kind of leverages tags differently, but there's not an easy way to kind of visualize how you're spending money across different tags. So we make it very easy in nOps to kind of see how you're spending across different tags. Maybe there's a project that you didn't expect to be an expensive in terms of AWS spend, so we just make it very easy for you to find these resources. So we show you the cost by the key value and a spend, and the key and the value. So if you hover over any of these values, you can kind of see how much you're spending for each one of the business units. If you wanted to select a particular business unit, you can select that and also see all the resources related to it. You can also select the custom range. If you want to see all the costs for last month, you could do that, or if you want to select a longer range or different range, you can select that as well. There's also a challenge in many organizations that there are a lot of resources that are not tagged at all. First of all, we show you how many resources actually has the key business unit but doesn't have any value set. So we make it very easy for you to visualize and see those resources. So if you have a policy where you're required to have a business unit, you can quickly come here and to see how many resources actually don't have those resources. We also make it very easy for you to kind of see all the resources that are not tagged in journal. So if you click on untagged resources, we'll show you all those resources. All right, so hopefully this was helpful. This is probably one of the best ways to see how you're spending money across different projects and teams. And yeah, cool. Thank you so much.